Kerala, where the gaze of Kathakali tells stories of gods and warriors, where ancient chants drift on the breeze, and the land hums with the pulse of tradition. A land draped in green, steeped in rituals and rhythms, where evenings echo with the beat of chendas in the heart of every celebration. By the quiet shores of Vembanad Lake, where the backwaters stretch endlessly and coconut palms sway to the breeze, the Zuri in Kumarakom rests gently in Kerala's embrace, serene, timeless, and full of quiet magic.
Wow, so pretty.
So cool.
Now all set to witness Byron and Fany's celebration of love, as their hearts unite in the embrace of a land as ancient and enduring as their vows.
Is it one of the biggest lakes in India?
Probably.
That's what he said.
Yeah, it's probably
Wow, so sick.
lakes-wise.
Yeah, like I said, so even from our first meeting, Fany was always talking about Kerala culture.
Yes.
From the very first meeting.
ரெண்டு பேருக்கும் ரொம்ப இஷ்டம் கேரளாவிலையும் நடத்தணும் இந்த மாதிரிலாம் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு அது அவங்க செய்கிறது எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம்.
Close to my heart. I love Kerala so much, and it's very special for me this day, and we are able to have our celebrations for life.
I think it was like a beautiful way to see inside someone's world, you know. I don't know that we could have appreciated where Fany came from as much without sort of seeing Kerala. I know she's not from Kerala, but she loves it.
So we always want to do everything very close to India, and this is one once in a lifetime event that we are having, very special moment, and I want to bring in all those meaningful cultural rituals into it. So that's how all those elements came part of it.
We are not feeling anything because we know Byron, so we are inviting a brother. So our sister is going to be with us.
Same.
Because we are
It's something like nothing is going to be changed. She is getting into the another level of marriage life. Like that's it.
Yes.
Means entering into the new life, another life. It's already nothing yet to be changed.
The life celebration, the love celebration that we are having, and join our hands together for life to happen in India with my parents and family and close friends around us.
And I feel like super welcomed by Fany and her family as well.
Yeah.
Which has been wonderful that we get to share the experience with them. And yeah, it's totally different than any wedding I've been to, and I think it's definitely super memorable.
I'm incredibly happy. I'm imagining when I proposed this idea, like, we should have elephant for your groomantry, and he's like, no, why do all these things, right? And I kind of like, no, it's gonna be wonderful, and it's gonna have Kerala touch and everything, and I'm gonna try and see if it's going to be possible.
Are you excited?
Very excited, very excited.
She knows what she wants, and so we know whatever ceremonies are planned will be nice.
basically right now I'm recalling those conversations that I had with Byron. It's awesome. It's really touching.
She hid very well during the day, so I didn't see her at all. Apparently she saw me even ride the elephant. I had no idea. But my heart skipped a beat when I saw her walking across the bridge from afar and approaching the temple. So it was truly amazing. I would say we both planned, but Fany is the mastermind behind all of it. She has all the big ideas. She has a vision for how things should be in her mind, and it's very unique, like the kind of mix of themes that we did. So Fany's the kind of big brain behind it.